for today. So yesterday we ended up with a pretty solid green bar. Bit of a tail on the top, but nothing really to worry about. And the day before was a pin bar. So that is an indication of buyers coming in. We do have this inside tail here, which we have closed above. So I think that is my level at the moment. That is 26,819. And what we're looking for ultimately is two things. First thing is to get through. Let me just put them in and then I'll give you them first. So first thing is to actually get through 27,129, and the second thing is to get through 27,387. If we just drill down to the 3 hour, you'll see this flag broke. Didn't quite get a retest. We got an attempt to come down to do a retest, but it did offer an opportunity to buy. I'm just going to adjust this 26,819 just to line it up with these inside tails here and these inside tails here. That looks like it pretty much where the retest was. That's 26,770. Okay, you can now start adding in other levels, and that would be pretty much a good one right there. A lot of interaction here, so that would be 26,833. Okay, so we did have a bit of a sell-off going into the close. You can see this was pretty much a sell-off going into the close, and then Asian session we've started buying again. I'm still looking for opportunities to buy, and we are testing a level here at the moment. If you look at the left, you can see these inside bars here, inside tails, and we've broken through. We're back on testing it. So if you watch this thing on the 15 minutes, if you reject this area here, you can see all the resistance here, and if we find support here and start bouncing, that would be a fairly decent area for a long as well. Nice low risk. Your stop's going to be pretty much just below here. Okay, so if we do this, so depending on what happens here, say you got an entry somewhere around there, your stop is going to be 37 points, and you're looking for the previous highs as a first start. So it's a 71-point trade. So that's a good 2-to-1 trade. Okay, I think for me, I think it's going to be sideways for most of the day. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us come back down into this area and then bounce again. We are waiting for Microsoft and Tesla results today. So that's probably the catalyst that's going to drive this market. Nothing else really sizable that I think will influence us. There's a few British results coming out as well, which may influence the European market. But yeah, I think that's pretty much my view on this at the moment. I'm looking for opportunities to buy, and look at these pin bars here at the close. So don't be too surprised to see us come down and close a gap here and then bounce back to the upside. I think that's pretty much what we're looking at the moment. So yeah, I'm still looking for longs here. The question is, where is this long coming from? And we have I think pretty much just do that. So you have that trend line. Let's get rid of this one. So you've got a trend line. You've tested it, come back, tested it a second time. We are bouncing at the moment. But yeah, Asian session, so wait and see what transpires during the European session. But I don't see a shorting opportunity at the moment. I think what we'll be looking for is support to be found somewhere in this clutter and then a bounce to the upside. Okay. So yeah, that's my view at the moment. Nothing really on offer at the moment. We're waiting for a decent pullback onto structure before getting a trade to the upside. Okay. In regards, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.